the past had a mask. Still felt lost in my own path. Ran from the car, chased the crowd. When the noise died down, your truth spoke out. I was all smoke, all pride, chasing thrills, still dead inside. And you found me in that zone. Turned my scars into a throne. Now I see what mercy means. You break chains and you raise kings. Every bruise became a sign that you could realign a life. Heart change, name change. Grace hit hard and made me new. Life change, mind change. Now my story points to you. I was the one with the clenched up fist. Now I walk in the peace you give. Every wound, every wrong, you keep flipping into songs. And now my steps got kingdom dust. Purpose lit up out the dust. What you did, I gotta testify. You brought a dead soul back to life. Now I see what mercy means. You break chains and you raise kings. Every bruise became a sign that you could realign a life. Turn it to the roadway for the one still hurting, for the one still searching. If you change me, you can change them. If you call me, you can call them. Heart change, name change. Grace hit hard and made me new. To you. Heart changed, name changed. I was blind, now I see. Life changed, use it as testimony. Heart changed, name changed. Send me where you need me. Life changed, mind changed. Purpose in the way you lead me.